Double slice layer. Cake quilts are taking the quilting world by storm, offering a perfect blend of simplicity and stunning visual impact. A double slice layer cake quilt involves slicing layer cake squares and rearranging them to create complex-looking designs that are surprisingly easy to piece together. Let's explore fantastic free double slice layer cake quilt patterns. First up is a pattern inspired by Jenny Doan of Missouri Star Quilt Company. This 48 by 61-inch quilt is versatile and great for using layer cakes or fat quarters. For a scrappy look, try using 20 different contrasting fabrics. Next, we have the flowery double slice layer cake, a delightful springtime charm that transforms a pick-a-bunch layer cake into a patchwork of blooming flowers. Jenny Doan's video tutorial makes this pattern easy to follow, even for beginners. The scrappy double slice layer cake pattern shows how to transform a single layer cake into a vibrant masterpiece. Its versatility allows for endless possibilities in block arrangement, letting you create a truly unique quilt. For those seeking a luxurious touch, the double slice cuddle quilt combines cotton prints with plush cuddle fabric squares. This pattern is great for experimenting with different textures and creating a cozy, snuggly quilt. Lastly, the double slice of cake pattern is a visually engaging design that's quick and satisfying to make. It's particularly suited for showcasing vibrant fabric collections like Simply Color by V & Co. for Moda. Double slice layer cake quilts offer a fantastic way to create stunning, complex-looking designs with ease. Whether you're new to quilting or a seasoned pro, these patterns provide a fun and satisfying project that will result in a beautiful, unique quilt. Why not give one of these free patterns a try and experience the joy of double slice layer cake quilting for yourself? For more creative inspiration and a wider selection of patterns, be sure to visit ilovequiltingforever.com for even more double slice layer cake quilt ideas to explore.